Hello everyone, this is Alex Trosa with the RIT Electric Vehicle team. Today we have a quick topic on version control. So on the left here in the project pane, you can see that our entire project is up to date with the server because it has a green check mark. Here is at the project level, and then here's the schematic, and here's at the PCB level. If you right click on the project, you can head down to version control and you can refresh just to make sure the whole thing is up to date. You can also do this individually with just a schematic or a PCB. So we're going to make a change to this schematic here. We'll just drag this a little bit over. And you can see that this red page indicates that it is open and locally modified. So we're going to save it locally. So now it's saved to your computer and you can see it turns white. But there's a red circle here. That's because it is not up to date with the server. So then you can go save to server, check whatever things you want to commit to the server and save to the server, put a little comment in there and click OK. This will then commit your changes that you made locally to the server. I'm going to make another change here, and if you save it locally, you can go version control and revert local modifications so that you can undo your local changes and go back to what you have on version control. And there you go, it's moved back to where it was.